Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy caramel pudding. First, let's create that essential caramel base. You'll need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Cook this mixture over medium heat until it transforms into a beautiful amber liquid. Then, carefully pour this hot caramel into your individual molds or a single large dish. This forms the delicious foundation for our pudding. Next, we'll prepare the creamy pudding mixture. In a bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs and 2 large egg yolks. Gradually incorporate 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is smooth and well combined. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly pour this warm milk into your egg mixture, whisking continuously to ensure a silky smooth custard. Now it's time to bake our delicious pudding. First, strain your custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step is crucial for achieving that incredibly smooth texture. Pour the strained custard over the set caramel in your molds. Place these molds into a larger baking pan, then carefully fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes. Your creamy caramel pudding is almost ready. The pudding is perfectly baked when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. Carefully remove the molds from the water bath and allow them to cool completely at room temperature. Then, refrigerate the puddings for at least 4 hours, or even better overnight, to ensure they are perfectly set and chilled. To serve, simply run a thin knife around the edge and invert onto a plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.